Hey everybody, Danny here with Danny Murphy and Associates, First Team Real Estate. Kind of two things. Wanted to just a quick market update that rates today are at a 3-year low. So check that out. That's pretty cool. We haven't been able to say that in a long time. And so, as you know, the Fed yesterday announced a 25 basis point cut in the federal funds rate, which was already anticipated probably 2 months ago in mortgage rates, so it didn't have any impact. It actually made mortgage rates go up a little bit. So not a lot unanticipated happened on that front. But the Fed also kind of gave a markedly cautious tone in Jerome Powell's comments yesterday, and basically indicating that they're very focused on the jobs market, and that's really more of a concern, I think, for the Fed right now than inflation. So inflation numbers over the last month have come in a little bit hotter than I think they would have expected and then anticipated, and that they wanted it to be. So that is a challenge, and that's why I think that they're kind of being very measured and not saying, hey, we're going to keep cutting rates. And so the bond market thinks that we'll see another 2 or 3 rate cuts beyond the one yesterday. We'll see if that happens. If we were to see that happen, that would definitely have a continued positive effect on 30-year mortgage rates, which obviously would be good for sellers and buyers especially. And so we'll see what happens there. But as of right now, we got a 25 basis point cut already reflected in the mortgage rates, which are in that sort of low to 6.3% range. That's good. We are seeing 7-1 ARMs, guys. You can get those in the 5s, 5.75, 5.8%. Those are great mortgages to get. And I know if I was getting a mortgage right now, I would get a 7-1 ARM, because I think there's a high likelihood that in the next 7 years, as a homeowner that holds a mortgage, you'll be able to refinance that rate at some point. So, those are great products that you should really consider doing, if you're in the market right now to get your mortgage payment down and to maximize your purchasing power. So good news on that front, and continue to probably see hopefully some rate cuts here in the remainder of the year. Reach out to us anytime with all of your real estate needs, questions. We're here to help. Thanks.